Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today we'll show how to change the power IC on an iPhone 13. First, we'll start by removing the glue around the power IC using a thin needle-like tool. Then we'll apply a little bit of flux around the IC and heat it with a hot air gun so it comes off easily. Once it's hot enough, we'll use a thin blade to lift and remove the IC from the board. Next, we'll apply some flux on the pad area and clean it properly using a Tadle tool. After that, we'll apply flux again and use a soldering wick to remove the remaining solder. Once the surface is clean, we'll wipe off the excess flux with cotton. Now we'll apply a bit of fresh flux again and place the new power IC in position. Finally, we'll heat it with the hot air gun until the IC sits perfectly and the solder joints are fixed properly.